What's up, YouTube? Hi. Well, here's a 71 Chevy C10 truck. We're gonna start the procedure of making it a short bed. I've seen a lot of videos on YouTube on how to do this, so I finally decided to do this. It's some work, but it's worth it at the end. It keeps you busy, occupied, and I hope it comes out to be a great truck after this work is done. Hopefully you guys like it. Right here, I bought this truck for $1,200. One of my buddies from work, his dad gave it to him, and he just decided that he can't fix it. He didn't have the time or the money. But here I am. I bought this truck to make it a short bed. My dad had one of these when I was like in high school. His was orange with white. Pretty sure that truck is worth a lot of money right now, but he sold it for $5,000 back then, so I can imagine right now. Right here I have a 350 engine. I fixed myself. I put Vortec heads on it, and it's a standard four shift. It's got 20-inch rims, decent tires. It's got drums all around, and I'm planning on converting it to disc brakes all around, but that'll be later on. So here's when the procedure starts. I call it the BBL on the C10. And here comes into my driveway. So this is where all the surgery starts. It's a lot of work, but I hope it's worth it.